All right, here we go. ONCO right off the bat with some pretty interesting volatility here. One share trade. Nice. Okay. What kind of size we want to take here? Looks like we might form a gap here. Coming down to 10. Hold 39. Spready. Spready. 3 seconds. Can you hold 6?
VSA. OSC. ARTL.
Hold 6.
IQ.
All right.
LLA. SPML. And EXA.
That's a kind of move. So kind of moving strong. Let's see. I mean, where do we even begin here?
VIAF. VSA.
750. I mean, you could just.
UGR.
Yeah, this is not good. I mean, you. Oh my goodness.
And EXA.
549, 566 is the hold down. So that's the kind of risk you're dealing with here. 566. Yep. Hold down. That's incredible. Okay. Looks like get your money and move on. 855. Hey, if you don't hold up and we hold 820, that could be a good area. All right, hold it. What a savage stock. VC. Wow. Okay. 227 is that low?
GCTK.
It's 1K good.
NSYS.
50. 27 is that low?
ARTL.
Kind of a bit too much, isn't it?
VSA.
I'll take 44. Hold. No, not holding. I'll take 37. Okay, I'm in at 38. So stop would be pretty tight, 35. I need to see a bounce here. I like this dip. Hopefully the gap remains here at 36. We could get a dip into the gap. So hopefully not. Hopefully we keep going back to 50. There you go. I'll take it right there. Let's say we're gonna get a dip. 35, 34, stops 27. 34, 32. I'm gonna take this here. I was just as I was kind of switching the size. 32 was the. Oh, back to 29. Okay. No, back to 32. It's a little tricky there. I don't like that. I don't like that. Back to 31. Ah, that's just a recipe to get smoked.
RC waiting. E18L. GCTK.
And the best gap. 13 is this low. 94. Okay, it's holding. 34. I want to see how well the algos are sitting here.
RC82.
The algos are holding it above.
GCTK.
It's hard to say. It's hard to say because 30 is not respecting 30. Well, right now it is. Right now it seems to be respecting 30. So there might be a trade here.
SPIM.
Okay, see, respect 30. Respect 30.
TURB.
Nice. Back to 30 to 32. Yeah, it's a little too hectic for me. 13 is slow. Okay, what time are we resuming here? 1 minute. It's gonna resume at 9. There's gonna be a gap in here. How much size? 400?
TURB. VSA.
30 seconds. $200 on this dip.
BTCS.
850. Dip at 855. I mean, does it have that range? We'll see. I'm not in no rush. I want to take a trade at my gap. So 855 is that low. 9 is gonna open.
VSA.
I'll take 400 shares. Come on. You can do it. Oh, 10 minutes. Okay. It's holding 27. Right underneath that gap. 26. Oh my gosh. Dang, the flushes are pretty wild today.
SLND.
The flushes are pretty wild.
BTCS. IZM.
Yeah, probably not gonna touch this. That was wild.
TURB.
Alright, ARTL here. Assuming a 9. I want to see a dip. I want to see where the fall down is going to be. Risking probably 80. Hold down 8, 11.
ARTL.
That's tough. That's tough. No dip.
RDCM.
No dip at all.
IZM.
No dip. Well,
ARTL. VSA.
yeah. GCTK, also garbage.
ONCO.
VSA, also garbage. ONCO.
ARTL.
Alright, looks like GCTX don't really have a target on this.
GCTK.
What's the high on this? 187. Maybe what? Target $2 on this. 220. Maybe.
VLND.
SNDK.
We should get another target on this.
GCTK.
190.
UTRO. VSA.
It's hard to say. The way this thing is moving.
IZM.
Not the clean is pre-market chart. Not going to be the clean open that we want to see.
GLN.
All right. Looks like we may get a squeeze. Shall we get a squeeze here?
ADMN.
VSA.
GCTK.
GCTK. 59 is that low.
BTU.
There are 12 seconds. Ideally, you would hold 60. Holding 62. I'll take that. 61, 62. Hold 60. Dip on that. All right.
NUU.
Let me see if I can take one more. One more here.
GCTK.
GCTK.
65. Want to add here.
LAR.
60.
LITN.
59 is a stop. Hold 60. A minute.
OEG.
Looks like a good hold.
LITN. NUU.
Next 1 minute. 13 seconds.
GCTK.
There it is. Looks like you're holding. I'm gonna add here. Because this next candle could be good.
LAR.
Come on. Stop is 59.
CDA velocity upside. SLMD. VOR.
If I add, the stop would be probably break even, but this is gonna stop me out, I think.
IZM.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, flush down.
ADMA.
This ain't it. This ain't it. Choppy stock. Not worth it, honestly.
RBND.
Yeah, look at this. Look at that. It's like so choppy, man.
RBND.
GCTK.
It's not worth it.
ASTM.
VSA.
CRCD. MSTV. METC.
It's been holding.
RGTZ.
VSA.
We can make one more attempt here.
IRZ.
31. We can get one nice squeeze here.
ASTM.
33.
ASP.
I'll buy it right here. 33.
GR.
Stop is 30.
CORD.
Ooh, 31 actually.
TCYAB halted down.
VSA. GCTK.
RGTZ.
Looked like it was gonna go. Let's see.
EAMT may resume in less than a minute.
Stop is sort of the break of 30.
BPZ.
RBND. EEZ. ADMF.
And at 33.
IRZ.
I want to be able to add to these positions, but if they're not gonna hold,
CRCD.
there's really no place to add. The other one opened.
MSTZ. UBXY.
This one might come down. Wants to push. But no. Holding this.
BCX halted to the upside. EAMT may rise in 10 seconds.
Hopefully we get some sympathy on this one.
CORDRTL halted to the upside. RGTZ.
Nice. 37. Good. 37 on the ask. Let's see if we can get the break of 38 here. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, that sucks, bro. That really sucks. Wow. Okay, today's not the day, huh? I cannot believe this stock. What in the world? What?
VSA.
VSA.
CRCD.
This is garbage, man. This is absolute garbage.
IRTL.
Wow, that's absolute garbage, man.
SOB.
Goes up, down,
UVXY.
then up again.
Less than a minute.
That's garbage, dude. Such garbage.
RKLZ. UVIF.
Such garbage. That's crazy.
MSTZ.
VSA.
33 to 22. Got stopped out 22.
EVIQ. ELTZ.
They shook everybody off. That's crazy.
VIQ.
SOXS.
That is insane. $50 to 35. Wants to be crazy, so what's there gonna be another dip here?
STZ. EVIQ.
SSQ. GCTK.
CRCD.
VIQ.
RKLZ. SOXS. MPDW. VMMZ.
ONC.
I'll take a dip at 35.
SOBR.
LAVD.
VSA.
EVIQ. CORD.
VIQ.
RKLZ. UVIX. SOXS. MSTZ. CRCD. EMNZ.
SSQ.
Just gotta trade my setup. Waiting for a dip here. Dip under 50, stop 35.
RGTZ. EVIQ.
VIQ.
CORD. RKLZ.
ARTL.
MSTZ.
ONC.
UVIX. SOXS. UVXY. LAVD. IRTZ. EMNZ. VCX magazine RGTZ.
VIQ.
CRCD. ONEG may res in 10 seconds. RKLZ may res in 10 seconds.
ONC. NXTT.
NXTT. SOXS. ARTL may resume on less than a minute. SST. VOR.
Watching here. There it is. Come on, I press buy. Okay, 38 and a half.
PLTZ.
35 is the stop.
LAVD. CRCD. VCX may res in 10 seconds.
Go, go, go.
RKLZ.
Out. Thank you. Where did I get out?
NXTT. SSQ.
MXTT.
55. That's a good. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. All right.
GCTK.
This is absolutely insane.
ARTL may res in 10 seconds.
That's insane.
LTZ.
What in the world, man?
AOD.
What in the world is going on?
RKLZ.
Okay, I got out 50. I got out 55, and it went all the way up to 80.
MXTT.
Jeez. You know, like thinking about the volatility and how bad it can break you. I'm just like, nah.
ARTL halted
Possibility coming to 55 and then coming all the way down again. Nah, man, I'm taking my 2 to 3 to 1, 2 to 1 here. So in at 39, stop 4 cents.
And XTT.
ASTM,
SST.
UV items,
VSA.
MXTT, SOXS,
So that was a good about 20, almost 20 cents on that.
UVXY,
I'm only taking dips on this, only dips. All right, looks like we're in this gap, and that is a nice dip. Just 100 shares, make sure it's 100 and not 1,000. Let's get rid of this.
SST.
A red gap is formed here somehow.
VCS.
So maybe there's a dip a little bit of 9.
IBRSCYAB names in less than a minute.
So I'm looking for the bigger picture move here, and the bigger picture doesn't seem too great. Major resistance at 1060, so we may come lower.
IBRS, UV items. CYAB may rise in 10 seconds.
CRE. ARTL. And XTT.
Which was much more smoother on its way up. Kind of halted and halted, no chance to get in.
ARTL.
AOD, IBRS,
VLWG.
All right, here we go. Resuming flat. You could grab a dip if it holds above 1190. There's another dip 1140. That could be too much, but we'll keep an eye on 1190. Only 100 shares, I must say. 100 is good enough.
RCD,
So here we go.
ARTL may rise in 10 seconds.
11.8, hold down is 11.17. Was there a dip? Maybe there was a dip. Yeah, I think there was.
GVH,
Nice dip.
ARTL, ARTL halted to the website. AGQ,
Yeah, that was easy money. All right.
ASCM,
1421. Looking for a dip on there, 1335.
BZAI,
AUR.
1422. It might come straight down. Let's see where the hold down is going to be. 10 minutes, maybe?
ARTL may rise in 10 seconds.
SST. VZAI.
1279 is a hold down. Ooh, 1279 right there. False halt.
CRCD. VCIC positive upside.
SST.
There it goes.
VSA.
All right, I'll probably take this resumption,
ARTL AG2.
and so may squeeze some more still. All right, so the plan here is going to be,
ARTL may resume in less
it's gonna
than a minute.
resume at 12. Ooh, it's gonna resume right here. So we could grab a dip 89 or 42. A dip under 12, I think, with a stop at 90. So let's see how this plays out. This could be good. Could actually be good. I'll take 200 shares.
VCIC may rise in 10 seconds.
Risking, yeah, risking like 50, 60 bucks. We'll see. We'd like to see a dip under 12, holding
ARTL may rise in 10 seconds.
89, that little gap right there. Could look for a bounce.
NUG2.
Oh, wow. Okay.
SILJ.
Mm,
AGQ. AG.
We'll see what this resumption is going to be.
SLV.
All right. Let's see this. So, assuming 1020, it may give a little dip under at 12. I will take it. Stop 1190. So we're looking at a 20, 30, 40, like $80 loss at worst.
ARTL may rise in
If I
10
lose
seconds.
40 cents, we're assuming flat. We're taking this one. Yeah, we're taking this. Yeah, bad fail there. Probably at the highs. Can I get another dip? I didn't even check the price I filled. I kind of just knew I got pretty high fill. 40, 47. Yeah,
XYZ.
IZM.
dip below 12. Yee. Oh, thank you. False halt. All right, so it's been working pretty interestingly off the gaps. Nice dip here, nice dip here. Top of the gap dip, very nice. Now we gotta halt up. No real dip, no real gap. 1428 is that level. So dip under 15, but I don't have a spot. Dip under 15, if it holds 482, that could work. 1482,
ARTL may rise in 10 seconds.
that could work, is going up. Oof, 10 minutes. Dang, that's crazy. Let's watch this resumption in 20 seconds, resuming at 16. Probably needs another 5 more minutes. This would be crazy resuming up here. Oh my goodness, instant down too. Back up again. I mean, you're that's like that's like a $2 swing, $3 swing. 1556 and hold 1882.
ARTL.
This is insane. I've been unable to catch these moves.
ARTL.
Alright, I'm done today. Alright, so
UTR.
669 on the month after fees, 461, so 200 in fees basically. Forcing myself to trade a lot less. Trading a bit too much. A day which I am green 200, I burn it down. Burn it down. Today up 200, taking it easy. Market was not there. ARTL gave this dip and rip, which I missed. Took a trade here of this hold down. Yeah, price range is kind of pretty high, pretty spready. Don't have much practice on this price range, price level, and my stats tell me I don't do too well on those either. So GCTK, just one trade there, it was kind of garbage. VSA was kind of weird. Let's see. So I took this one. Why did I take this? This is I think a high fill and a gap, and I thought just give it 2 cents. Yeah, because what is this, 27? Yeah, I wasn't holding to 27. That's too much risk. Nice. Got a better dip there. 38 out 46. Then I got flushed on in a 33 as it was holding this gap. The stop was what was my stop? 31, but it tested it. It tested 30, so it tested it really quickly, so I kept holding. Um, and to be honest, it formed a weird gap. On the level 2, I didn't see this thing come all the way down. So the setup was not the best in terms of an obvious gap. You know, at the moment it looked good. Anyway, got it, was holding, flushes down, and I get out at 22. Unbelievable flush. Then immediately goes back up. No, actually wrong. It goes up to 50s, then flushes down, and I get out on the flush. I'm like, what is going on? Then reverses back all the way up to 70s. That's unbelievable, right? But it formed a gap, and I'm thinking, okay, let's try this again.
That's ST.
Tried it, 2,000 shares right at the bottom of this gap. Out 56, 55, 56. If you hold a little longer, I mean, I didn't want to hold because this thing could just come straight back down again. So goes all the way up to 80s. Anyways, that was my last trade on it. ARTL, one little trade here of this hold down. Anyway, that's the day for today. 343, better winners. Not holding for too long, my winners, huh? Anyway, there was no opportunity to do so. This came really fast, which I should probably still hold at least a little longer. Held 17 seconds. I mean, if held for 25 seconds, it's a different story. Okay. Anyways, yeah, a lot to review this month. It has been pretty frustrating with the big size, but I know we can do it. I know we can take big size. I know we're ready. Um, It can happen. It will happen. I'll have to review. What do I want to say? I'm leaving a lot of money on the table by not respecting my strategy. So that's the goal. Respect my strategy. Hold. Get the nerves out. The nerves are already out, so I know what I have to do. Um, and every time I get a gap and go, I'm always looking to add more size, and I've done it before, so that's a good thing. Um, on my 1 minute fair value gaps, I take bigger size, like I did here today. VSA. So these are 1,000 shares, 1,000 shares, 1,000 shares. On this gap, 1 minute fair value gap, 2,000 shares. So I did that, right? 2,000 in, 2,000 out. Anyway, so we gotta size up. We know we can do it. We know we can do it. Just to size up a little bit more because the strategy works even if I don't size up to like 5,000, 6,000 shares. The strategy works really well to make at least like $800 a day, 5 to 800 a day. I know the size that I'm taking, I think I can make that kind of money. It's just a matter of following my strategy, and if I'm red, I'm red. If I don't connect, I don't connect. So being patient, sizing down when I'm red, which is what I did yesterday, what I've done in the past. So yeah, you go through the ups and downs as a trader. You understand what you have to do. You have one mentality, you have one perspective, and then it changes later on, and you have to be able to adapt because the market will give you many faces. It'll give you many looks. So it's a combination. It's a combination of following your strategy and being strict with your rules and your strategy, but at the same time flexible with what the market is doing, right? Um, anyways, I can go into more detail about that, some other time, but that's kind of the gist of it. All right. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit. Actually, let's look at year to date. Yeah, we're back. We're back at the highs, 2866, 2862. So we got out of that drawdown basically. Got out of the drawdown or what? Yeah, out of the drawdown today. All right. Anyway, this is Mr. Profit. This is my year-to-date P&L. A little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit small, but we'll make it work. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free trading analysis tool, select a broker, add a file, and hit free analysis. No signups, data never stored, 100% free. Check out all our features, awesome features we have here. And join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. Amazing, amazing. So yeah, hit me up in Discord. There's a list of brokers here. If we don't have your broker, you get a free month to help us out your broker. Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. Community is growing, so join us. Ask me any questions. Request features, and stay tuned for more announcements. All right, see you next week.